Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can cover face with emoji on TikTok video. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open our TikTok application and we can click on this plus button to start creating new post on TikTok. And here I'm just going to upload video from my gallery. I'm gonna click on upload, and for instance, I'm going to cover this man's face with emoji. We can go to stickers and go to the emoji section, and here you can select an emoji you would like to add to your video. I'm gonna go with this one. Then we can tap on the emoji, select pin, and we're going to adjust the position one by one. Drag the emoji to cover the face like this, and we can adjust the position until the rest of the video like this to make the emoji follow the moving face. Okay, wait guys. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, and now it's done. Then after we're done, we can click on pin and just wait until the process has completed. Okay, and this is the final result, and we can click on next to share this post to our TikTok. Click on post to post your video. Alright guys, and that's how we can cover our face with emoji on TikTok video. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.